it, Kyla?
Compass.
Look what you can do. You can paint. There's a paintbrush, and you can use these paints up here to paint them.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that neat?
Uh-huh.
Okay, here. Would you like to open this one now?
Yeah. I don't want to help them open hers.
Okay, then you can give Cameron hers next. Hi, Cameron. Hi, honey.
So I have those before.
You don't have that one?
Uh-huh.
What is it?
Sorry.
Who's on that?
Monkey and Julie.
And Dora?
Uh-huh. See it? See it?
What is that?
Julie.
Dora,
I have those before.
you don't have that one before?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to give yours to Cameron now?
Yeah.
Can you help her open it? Here, Cameron, you scoot over there and you... What is it? She doesn't have that?
Yeah.
Can you show her how it works?
Yeah.
What is it, Kyla? Oh, so she can learn how to drive. Yeah.
Can you turn it on? Turn the key on? Right there, there's the key. Whoa, you started it! Yeah! Okay, you can open that one now, honey. Why don't you scoot back a little bit by Daddy? Scoot back a little bit.
Where? Turn around so mom can see you.
I don't have those before.
You don't?
How do you know?
What's in there?
I'll show you. It'll open it. It'll open.
Okay. There we go. What's in there?
What is it, Kyla?
Another baby?
Is that a brand new baby?
Yeah.
A tiny baby like comes home from the hospital? That's just a tiny little baby.
Yeah.
What's her name, Tig? Say it. What's her name? Oh, it's got a name. Berenger.
Maybe we'll have to come up with a new name. Do you like your new baby?
Yeah. And this one now.
Okay, that one now. You know what that is?
No.
It's some diapers for you to play with all your babies. So you have your very own diapers now.
Huh?
Now you don't have to use Cameron's. Those are your very own diapers for you to use with your babies.
You open it.
Well, we'll open them later. I think Cameron's got one more. Does
there's
Daddy
two
have...
more.
Oh, Daddy has two more. You want to have Cameron open one more?
There's Cameron's.
That one's Cameron's for Mommy and Daddy.
It's a phone.
Oh, she has a phone?
Yeah.
Can you show her how it works, Kyla?
Push this button.
Show Cameron how it works.
And turn on the... Why turn on?
Well, we'll have to look at it. Here. There you go. Okay, honey, I think you've got one more present.
Gentlemen, you play that.
What is that, Kyla?
Is that a doodle pad?
What can you do with that?
The cotton.
Can you draw on that?
Yeah. No, actually. Look at another one.
I think they're all done now. I think we're all done opening presents now. You know what? Kyla, I think there might be one more under the tree.
One.
Come here. Come with Mommy. Let's look. Let's see if we can find one more. Here, Mommy will get it. Oh, it's kind of heavy. Can you give that one to Daddy? That one's to Daddy from Kyla and Cameron. Can you take it to him? Kyla,
Huh?
take this one to Daddy. That one's to Daddy
Boy.
from Kyla and Cameron.
There you go.
What's in there?
Tape on there.
Tape on there? So what'd you get me, Kyla? Oh, picture there. Wow, looky there.
One more on the tree.
I don't think there is any more, honey.
That's it.
Nope, that one stays under there.